Is there any modifications to this car?
It's yeah, it has everything. It's a 900 wheel.
Oh. So we have a GTR right here, all-wheel drive, and a Model 3 Performance, also all-wheel drive. And what's your name and like what's your opinion on these vehicles right here today?
My name is Dimitri, and I think the GTR looks like it has a big ass intercooler.
Intercooler, okay.
On the front. So
I see it right there.
I think if that car has the lightweight wheels, intercooler, if that thing's tuned, I think the Tesla's in trouble.
Oh, if it's got, I mean, like just alone. Without tunes, it's still
without tune. It would be really close.
But oh wow,
bone stock, it's really close.
I'm curious.
That thing is not stock.
You said 900 horsepower? Is that to the wheels? Or? I brought a second set of tires. Right now? Oh, these are my everyday. These are Nokian 1 all seasons. 720 treadwear. I have some 200 treadwear summer tires that I brought, and some forged wheels.
Do you think GTR will take it? I honestly, I'm starting to think so too.
Against who? Against what?
The Model 3 Performance, Tesla.
Oh, Tesla?
Better
I think it's a Tesla.
What color is the Tesla? I think Tesla too. White. It's a white Tesla right there.
I know that guy's fast. Let me see.
And it smoked the Corvette. Those two are about to race. And that's the GTR. He thinks Tesla's gonna take it.
I think GTR.
GTR over here. Now here's the big one. We got GTR, Model 3 Performance, and we got our crowd here.
So I'm going against a 900 horsepower GTR. I don't think I'm gonna win. at least, especially not with these wheels and tires I got. But I brought the other ones, so.
What do you guys think's gonna win, the Model 3 or the GTR? Any opinions? GTR? A GTR? He told me it's 900 to the wheel. Oh shit. Oh, I don't know. Guys, this is like the ultimate showdown right here. The crowd is watching. Oh my god! Oh my god!
So what happened again? Yeah. Sorry, I gave you a what? Oh.
Here they are. I know, that was incredible, by the way. That was incredible.
Well, he had an issue with this car, but
I know. So me and the guys are talking. It looks like a 50-50. You won the score, he won the race. It's good that you guys are doing a redo.
But no, he'll probably win this time, and I'll swap out the wheels and tires, and then we'll see.
Incredible, bro. They're gonna go for a rematch.
All right, so doing the GTR again. Last time he had an issue with his all-wheel drive system.
Round 2, man. All right, GTR. This is the second time they're going at it, as I mentioned. I'm curious to see the results here. Oh wow, they're about to wait already. Hold up. Hey man.
Well, I beat him fair and square.
Well, are you gonna swap out your tires, or what's the plan here? All right, tell us what's going on, man. What are these? Ooh, what are these grooves here? Groovy.
So they're a little wider.
Okay. You see the width? What's?
Well, they're 255.
Okay, 255.
These are 235.
235s that he has on stock right now. Cool. So he's gonna throw these guys on these guys. We're gonna take these guys out. Swap them in.
Fully forged Martian.
Forged with a great dragon blade.
There's the SRT and Model Y dual motor. Happy with your results, or?
500 treadwear all-terrain tires, so I got an 8.3, which is the best I'll be able to do with these tires. So.
Oh, that's good.
We'll be back. We'll see. It's all about learning and tires.
Learning and tires.
That GTR.
Dude, that was incredible.
111 trap speed in the 8th. That's crazy. A triple digit trap speed in the 8th is like, dude, you're fast.
Yeah.
But like 111 is like
All right, SRT Hellcat versus the Model Y with a dual motor badge. Well, with dual motor, but it has a badge. I don't know why it's a dual motor badge. I think that makes it any faster. All right, let's see how these results go. I'm gonna be pissed if the Model Y wins, bruh.
Alright, so I'm going to try to race the GTR again, and I'm trying to give myself a little bit of an edge here. What I did was I navigated to the nearest supercharger. Yeah, that's preheating my battery. It's using a little bit of my energy though, so I'm preheating my battery, warming it up, and that should help me accelerate a little quicker.
He did one different thing that a lot of people don't know about. If you preheat the battery, it puts out more power.
It does.
Oh wow, you know your stuff.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So,
Oh yeah.
he hasn't tried that yet. He's gonna try it now.
Okay, so that adds a little bit of a difference there.
A supercharged Hellcat. Alright, Corvette's got this. Come on, Corvette! Come on, Corvette! Please, please. Model Y dual motor versus Model 3 dual motor. You already know the results. But we'll do it anyways because we like wasting time.